I think it's a really good course. Basically gets you into the construction industry, which is an amazing industry at the moment. I absolutely love it here. It's really relaxed and the students seem to enjoy being here, and they just get on with their work, and it's great. So surveying is a big part of it. We do some architectural design type work, so they learn how to draw, quantity surveying, we do some science. So it's a huge subject. At the end of the first year, there's 2 written exams, and there's also an employer set project. The students designing a building from scratch, so they have to produce CAD drawings and, and explain how the building is going to work. The sky's the limit, really. I mean, the T-level in construction can lead you to straight into a job. You can go off to university, so you might want to study to be a structural engineer or an architect or a quantity surveyor. The other thing that's a possibility is apprenticeships. We do a lot of trips. In a couple of weeks we're off to see the 7 bridges, the 2 Severn bridges, and look at some structural engineering. I think if you're fairly okay with maths and science, it helps. You need to be sure you want to be a professional in the construction industry. We've got AutoCAD and something called AutoCAD Revit. So you're learning to use that equipment that you would use out on a construction site. I mean, I could go on pretty much all day about all the different kind of skills and things we do, but there isn't time. Over the 2-year course, you can either find your own employer, or if you can't, we find you an employer. So the work placement is 315 hours minimum. The work placement is, as I say, it's really crucial, and that's the key to the T-level. But the other thing with the work placements is you build up contacts, and then when it gets to the end of their 2-year course, they can very often, I believe, walk straight into a full-time job with that employer that they've been with because they've impressed them.